These birds are going to be the end of me. They sit up there on that rope. I guess I probably need to move the rope. Dang it. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. Let's see how big this log is, this red oak. 14 inches, 50 board feet, a small one. Guys, you saw in the beginning of the video, my camera. What a bummer. I ended up getting another camera, but let me tell you what happened. And I'll put some footage of the last video taken, and then maybe you'll understand what happened. And here's that footage, if the footage survived. The deep swimming hole. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, you can see what I did with it. And I didn't think anything of it. They promise it's waterproof and everything. So, much to my surprise, they shut off automatically if you got that set up after so many minutes of not being used. I did my filming underwater in about that much water, literally, in our creek, the Bigelow, and didn't think nothing of it. And then a muskrat started swimming by and I wanted to get some footage of it. The camera wouldn't turn on. Like, what's going on? And I noticed the charging port door didn't look like it was secured all the way. What a shame. And that's exactly what it was. I don't know how it didn't get clipped all the way in, because that's the first thing I do. I pull the cord out and it's a reflex. But I guess it didn't get latched all the way and it got water. It's come to water. But the bad thing is, I started looking online and everybody said, oh, just a few day turnaround time. You know, usually they get it within a week or 2 weeks, you'll have it back. And I wasn't too concerned about it then, because I have some videos up and, you know, we have some other means of making videos. Well, lo and behold, I get a notice from them. I open my ticket, the repair ticket on it. I waited 72 hours to even try to turn it on. I had the fan blowing across it. Some suggested rice. DJI didn't suggest rice because the dust could get into the ports in the battery compartment. So I put the fan on it. I put some desiccant bags around it, and you know, and it looked like it dried out. It turned on, and what you saw is all it does, and it shuts right back off. So something shorted out. So I get a notice from DJI saying about 90 days before they'll even be ready to start accepting repairs. I got a ticket open. They said they will send me a shipper when they're ready for it. 90 days, 3 months. They said they're having a hard time getting parts. With all the stuff going on, it is what it is. So we ended up having to buy another one, and I wasn't pleased with that. I bought the exact same DJI Action 5. I was going to buy a 4. My next one will be a 4. These are great cameras. But I didn't want to buy the same one. I wanted to just go down one level. But I bought the exact same camera I had of another 5. $300+ again. And so that's what I did with my YouTube money this month. What do you do with your YouTube money? You put it back in YouTube, especially at the beginning. I don't make that much money. In fact, I make very little money and barely enough to buy that camera. So that's what we did with it. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. So we got another camera here, and we'll use that. And that's kind of what I wanted to mention, let you know what happened in case there's some shortcomings in some of my videos here. But since we ended up getting a new camera, I think we'll be fine. And the other thing I wanted to say is, sorry I didn't have any video out for today. Today's Friday. You'll see this video tomorrow. Sorry I didn't have a video out. It was just one of those busy weeks. One, my camera was down, and I like having multiple cameras. And then we went and visited my daughter who's camping yesterday and spent the day out there. So we just didn't get time to do much work around here. But I'm going to cut. I might even cut them all today. I might just want to. It's a nice cool day. It's only supposed to be like 75 today. Believe it or not, it was 51 when I woke up this morning. Man, we've been in a massive heat wave. And it was cold during my workout this morning. So I have, what do I have? 2, 4, I have 5 on there, 6. I might get all 6 of these done today. I'm not going to sit here and take you with us. I'm going to cut 1.5 inch boards out of all this. We'll show you at the end. So this will be a quick video of what we get done. If I don't get them done, I don't get them done. I'll show some clips here and there. 50 board feet. Yeah, let's do it. We got 2 full pallets added to the bottom one, or lifts we're calling it, of 1.5 inch stock. So that looks good. We're on to the 2 inch. I just showed you the 2 inch stock that we did today. We did 4 logs. I was going to do 2 more, but it's getting late in the afternoon. I went in for lunch, watched the video, some YouTube, and then came back out here and finished those last 2 logs. We got 2 more to do that's on the log deck, but I still have, I think, about maybe a dozen 8-footers of the guys to still do. Maybe not that many. So we could get them done pretty quickly within the next few days. But this is looking nice out here. I feel like we've really upped our game ever since we got the Mikrons setworks. You know, one, the accuracy of the cuts better. I'm stacking and stickering now. I'm organizing better. I think all around the whole sawmill is running smoother out here now. We might not be moving as fast, but we're getting more steps done at one time. Often I would just stack all these up, then come back several days later and try to sticker them or then go cut stickers. I cut my stickers ahead of time this time. I will keep trying to do that. I also just showed you, I've been actually cleaning out and shoveling underneath the sawmill after every single time I've been done this year. And it's making a big difference. You saw the big pile of sawdust under the log bunk. I'll clean that as soon as I'm done with Chris's logs. But it's just making it easier to walk around the mill and everything. So about every 4 logs, I shovel everything out. So, taking care of the sawmill. Stellite band ran great. We're probably about 500 board feet on that. We still have a few logs to go on it before we'll change it out and sharpen it. In fact, that was one of the videos I watched today. Bill Profit, William Profit, Pirate Solution, was talking about sharpening blades and stellite bands today on his YouTube channel. So check it out. He's done some great numbers on stellite. I don't get as many board feet out of the Stellite bands as he does. He's got a little more horsepower than me. I've only got 13 and a half horse, so we can't pull through the dull stuff. You know, when the band just slightly gets dull, we usually have to start switching them out. I do get well over 1,000 board feet out of a new band, and I know I could go more, but that's about what I'm taking them off, is about 1,000 to 1,500 board feet, which is a lot of lumber. And I get that out of it when I sharpen it. So, all right, guys, any questions? Go check out Bill Profit's page or channel. He does some great things. He's got a Norwood machine, HD, I think it's 36. Full hydraulics, too. He's got a nice machine. It's pretty slick. He's out in Maine, does a great job with his channel. Great ambassador for Norwood, as far as I'm concerned. He knows what he's doing. I pale in comparison to him, I feel. But anyhow, we've had a good day out here at the mill. It's great therapy. If you saw my short yesterday, yeah, you know, getting out here is so relaxing. You know, I didn't have my wife today to help us out, and I like it when she's out here, but nevertheless, it is nice out here. I enjoy it. Get yourself a sawmill, guys. You know, if don't have a lot of money to spend, get yourself Frontier or Woodland Mills. You can get them pretty cheap. You know, money's not growing on trees. Yeah, let's just leave it at that. Money's not growing on trees, and you got to work hard for it. Bought a new camera 3 days ago now. But hopefully we'll get that other camera fixed in the next year, huh? All right, guys, take care. We'll see you next time.